Your store credit emails and rewards messages are automatically sent to customers, unless they've chosen to unsubscribe. Let's take a look at how you can view and manage those unsubscribed customers through the Customers Who Have Opted Out tab. Like and subscribe to keep up with what's new at Epic Shops. From your rewards page, go to the Emails section. Then click Customers Who Have Opted Out. Here, you'll see a simple table showing the customer's name, email, and actions. This list includes customers who have received a rewards-related email and then unsubscribed from future reminders. If a customer has asked to start receiving emails again, you can click the Delete button beside their name to remove them from the opt-out list. A small confirmation modal will appear at the top. Just click Yes to confirm. Once removed, they'll begin receiving rewards reminder emails again, such as store credit monthly updates or order confirmations. Just a quick note. Only remove customers if they've specifically asked to opt back in. Deleting them without consent could result in sending unwanted emails, which may lead to compliance issues or a negative customer experience. That's all there is to managing your opt-out list. Quick, simple, and transparent. Whenever you're unsure, click Get Help at the top right. Epic will walk you through it.